Last week, I received this message from a subscriber named Chioma. I've been saving in my bank account for 2 years now, but with inflation at 23%, I feel like I'm actually getting poorer. What should I do? Chioma isn't alone. With Nigerians' inflation skyrocketing, leaving your money in a bank account is like watching it slowly disappear. Today, I'm going to show you one of Nigerians' best kept financial secrets. Treasury bills, the financial vehicle that lets you lend money to the government and get paid handsomely for it. Welcome to Finance with Anne. My name is Anne, and in today's video, I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know about treasury bills in Nigeria. What they are, how they work, and most importantly, how you can start investing in them right away, whether you have 100,000 naira or over 50 million naira. If that sounds like what you'd be interested in, do me a quick favor, hit that like button and also subscribe so that more people will learn how to protect their hard-earned money from inflation. Now let's dive in. Imagine this scenario. Your friend needs to borrow 100,000 naira from you for 6 months and then promises to pay you back 120,000. That's basically what treasury bills are, except in this case, your friend is now the federal government of Nigeria. Treasury bills are short-term debt instruments issued by the government through the Central Bank of Nigeria. When you buy treasury bills, you are essentially loaning money to the federal government and they promise to pay you back with interest. What makes treasury bills very special is that they are one of the safest investments you can make. Why? Because they are backed by the full faith of the federal government. Now, let us talk about how treasury bills actually work, and this is very fascinating. Treasury bills are sold at a discount and redeemed at face value. Let me explain what that means with a simple example. Let's say you want to invest 100,000 naira in treasury bill at a 20% interest rate for 1 year. Instead of paying 100,000 naira, you will actually pay 80,000 naira. That is the 20% discount. When the treasury bills mature after a year, you will get your full 100,000 naira back. 20,000 naira difference is your interest, or you can call it your profit. Now, treasury bills come in different time frames or tenures. We have the 91 days, which is about 3 months. We have the 182 days, which is about 6 months. And we have the 364 days, which is 1 year. Generally, the longer the tenure, the higher the interest rate you will get. But the interest rates for the past few months have been very attractive. You can be seeing from about 18% to over 22%. This is some of the highest rates we have seen in years, and definitely way higher than what you get in your savings account. Let's talk about why treasury bills are so hot right now. With inflation in Nigeria at about 23%, people are desperately looking for ways to preserve their wealth. Compare that to Kenya's inflation at 4% and South Africa's inflation at 3%. You and I will both agree that we are in a very unique situation. The Central Bank of Nigeria has responded by offering these high interest rates on treasury bills. This has been designed to 1. Attract investors, both local and foreign. 2. Mop up excess liquidity in the economy. Too much money chasing few goods causes inflation. 3. Provide a safe haven for investors during economic uncertainty. Now for the part you've been waiting for, how to actually invest in treasury bills. There are 2 markets where you can buy treasury bills. We have the primary market and the secondary market. In the primary market, you buy directly from the government. The minimum investment is 50 million for individuals and 500 million for institutions. Obviously, this isn't accessible for many of us. And that brings us to the secondary market. Here, we buy from those who have bought from the primary market. If you don't have up to the amount to participate in the primary market, you can simply join us in the secondary market. That's for smaller investors like us. We can take advantage of the secondary markets. The minimum investment here can be from 50,000 to 100,000 to 1 million, depending on the company you work with. For most of us, the secondary market is the way to go, and technology has made it super easy and accessible for us. One of the platforms that have made investing in treasury bills very simple and accessible for many of us is the Afri Investor 2.0 app. First, you need to go over to your Play Store or your App Store and download the app. It looks like this. You will be required to provide your BVN, ID, utility bill, and some other basic personal information. Just the normal thing you will provide when you go to open a regular bank account. After you have provided all this information, you will be given a CSCS number. Once this number is provided for you, you are good to go. All you then need to do is fund your wallet on the app and check between the hours of 11 a.m. and 2 p.m. for the available Treasury bills. If you need any extra help with this, feel free to join our Telegram group. It's completely free. The link is going to be in the description of this video. In the group, we are a team of like-minded, money-conscious investors, and so we're going to help you solve or get through any issue you may be having. And if you want specialized and personalized help, where I will be the one to personally dedicate time to guide you and put you through, answer all your questions, help you to plan your investment portfolio and all that, then feel free to book a one-on-one session with me. The reviews have been wonderful. All you have to do is click the link in the description. I'm going to put it there. And you're going to see what other people that I've personally helped have to say about this session. I can only dedicate time to work with a few people per month, so quickly take advantage now and secure your spots. If you do not want to work with the Afro Investor 2.0 app, you can also choose to work with a variety of other companies. We have Stanbic IPTC, ARM, FBM Quest. There are just so many. If you go to the SEC website, you're going to see a list of licensed companies that you can work with. Investing in Treasury bills is really that simple. Within minutes, you have made an investment that can help protect your money from inflation. Remember that if you have any question, just drop it in the comments and I will personally answer you. When investing in Treasury bills, one important decision you need to make is whether to take your interest upfront or to reinvest it. Taking your interest upfront means that you will get your profit immediately, while your principal will be paid at maturity. This is great if you need cash immediately for something important. Personally, I prefer reinvesting the interest. That way, your interest earns even more interest. This is what we call compound interest. It's like your money having babies that grow up to have their own babies. Low key, I think I can't wait to be a grandmother. Is it too early? Let us be balanced and talk about the advantages and disadvantages of Treasury bills. The advantages of Treasury bills are: 1, it is an extremely safe investment because it is backed by the government. 2, it offers relatively high returns based on the current markets. 3, it is a short-term commitment. Within 3 to 12 months, your money is back. 4, it has low barrier to entry. So with as little as 50,000 naira or 100,000 naira on some platforms, you can get started with Treasury bills. It is also simple to understand and invest in. And unlike other investments, your returns are not taxed. It is easy to sell and it can actually be sold before maturity. The disadvantages include: 1, it is a short-term investment, which means that you need to reinvest regularly. 2, it may not fully protect you against the persistent high inflation. Remember that the perfect investment strategy depends on your personal goals. Treasury bills are excellent for short-term, safe investments, but you might want to diversify into other investment vehicles for long-term wealth building. So there you have it. Treasury bills explained in a way that hopefully makes sense to everyone. Whether you're a Nigerian living in Nigeria or in the diaspora, this is an investment worth considering. As our economy continues to navigate through these challenging times, having a portion of your savings in Treasury bills can provide that financial cushion and peace of mind. Remember that inflation is a silent wealth killer. At 23%, your money is losing almost a third of its value every year when you leave it sitting in your savings account. Treasury bills are one powerful weapon you can use to fight back. I would love to hear your thoughts and experience about Treasury bills. Have you invested in them before? Do you plan on investing in them after watching this video? Drop a comment below, let's discuss. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with someone that needs this information. And don't forget to subscribe for more practical financial advice. If there is any other investment topic you would love me to cover, then tell me in the comment section. I read every one of your comments. Watch the next video showing on your screen right now to learn how you can manage your finances better. Till I see you, keep dreaming big and keep working hard towards your dreams. I'm rooting for you. Bye for now.